So if you're looking for a nice way to make bass, take it from the kick. Just drag the kick into a wavetable like this and find your favorite spot. Transpose to -12 and then reduce the filter frequency and the resonance like that. And just keep playing around with it until you get the right type of sound. What I've done there is added some classic unison, and I've added a little bit more amount. So now I'm just going to record that bass line to MIDI. Then I've added a percussion layer, and I've also added a top layer. You'll notice that the percussion layer sounds a bit boomy, so I'm going to put a kickstart against it. I'm going to just invert the way the kickstart works and just take the boom out. Now let's listen to it. I hope this inspired you, because you can just create your own bass lines from anything, particularly from a kick.